what cost do we have to scroll chronically on Pinterest to understand an outfit? Like, is it at the cost of our fashion sense? We're back being comfy cozy on the couch here. Special guest Ernie, because I really liked it last time. Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to our sponsor, Squarespace. Today, I wanted to talk through some trends and decide together whether knowing more about fashion makes you less fashionable. I have this question all the time when I look back at old videos and I'm putting on really questionable outfits. Sometimes it's just like I'm chronically online, I read too much into trends, I want to stay ahead of trends, and it makes me ultimately less fashionable. Obviously, everything I'm going to talk about today is totally up for like interpretation. Being fashionable, something that differs based on each person. So like I could think that, you know, someone's fashionable and you think they're not. It's just kind of like a fun video that we're just gonna talk through some like chronically online trends that I've seen like Vogue or Who What Wear, those places deem as trends, and are they actually cute, or is it just like we're all doing too much, which is another video I kind of did recently where you guys kind of agreed that I've been doing too much. So, questionable trends, are they actually cute? I think one of the things that kind of helps me decide whether a trend is cute or not is if we've seen it in history. When we try to create new things that have never been done before, they look kind of like they've never been done before for a reason. We've been like into fashion. Society has been into fashion since clothes have been made. Like, can anything be new? The first trend is like not that questionable, but it's always been known as like a fashion faux pas, and that's brown and black together. I think like color combos, it's obviously been done before, and brown and black is definitely like a trending color combo more in the like winter months. I think you can still do it really nicely in the summer. And with that, I would say brown and black is actually cute. It just has to be done the right way. And brown and black is something that's definitely been trending before. It's a fashion faux pas, but I think for bad reason. Brown and black is good. Same with like black and navy. I think it's a good color combo. I don't think you can go wrong with a color combo. Wrong shoe theory. A little bit more of a kooky one. So I think that there's like ways to do it correctly are actually cute, and ways that are like, if you know, you know. I kind of came up with this idea because I was seeing, because I'm not on TikTok, I've seen a lot of Instagram reels that were like, only somebody who scrolls chronically on Pinterest would understand this outfit. And I'm like, at what cost? Like, at what cost do we have to scroll chronically on Pinterest to understand an outfit? Like, is it at the cost of our fashion sense? The wrong shoe theory, look how cute he is. Wrong shoe theory, I think when we're thinking of like a pair of sneakers with a dress, I think it's cute. I think sneakers can go with anything, and especially like today, sneakers go with anything, and it's something we're so used to seeing. Sneakers with athletic outfits, sneakers with athleisure, sneakers with sundresses, sneakers with fancier outfits. I think it's non-negotiable, it's cute. Fashion too, in a sense of practicality, you really can't argue with it. Like when something is just practical, easy, makes sense, I think it's fashionable. Most of the time. Even Crocs can be fashionable. You know what I mean? Because it's just like, that makes sense. But if you're wearing like stilettos with a baggy t-shirt and athletic shorts, biker shorts and athletic t-shirt and then stilettos, like it so doesn't make sense. I think it's arguably not cute and not fashionable. I get that it's like Pinterest fashion and like online fashion, and if you know, you know, but I'm trying to be like, you know what, do you get this video? So I would say wrong shoe theory as in sneakers, justifiably, no, what's the word? I don't know, I woke up at 4 a.m. with my daughter this morning, so please spare me. Sneakers, fancier clothes, sneakers with fancy clothes, fashionable, stilettos, ballet flats, fancy shoes with athleisure, not fashionable. Do I still wear it? Yes. Okay? So don't get this video twisted. It's kind of like making fun of myself. It's not making fun. It's just we're thinking of things a different way. Next, pattern mixing. I feel like this is a kind of kooky thing that sometimes can like look really like what the heck, and then other times it's like it's just arguably good. I think there's ways to do it correctly, and you know, throwing two patterns together and being like, it's pattern mixing doesn't necessarily make the outfit like fashionable or cute. I think if you do it with intention, where it's like a big pattern and a little pattern, like an easy on the eye pattern, which would be like plaid, stripes, polka dots, something that you look at and you're like, yes, I understand that pattern. And then you can mix it with something maybe it's a little bit more kooky, like squigglies or like floral, I don't know, something just a little bit more intricate. That looks good together. Picking patterns that each have one color the same in both. So if you had black and white polka dots and then you had a floral print that was like red, yellow, and black, what a weird color. Like the black would tie them in together, or better yet, like if they both had like a red in them, something like that, that would work. I think if you go about pattern mixing the right way, definitely fashionable. The next trend that I saw a lot of like Vogue and those kind of like magazines talking about is sheer skirts. And it's like a mesh skirt and you kind of wear like undies underneath, like more boxer short, boy short undies, and then a sheer skirt. You could do it with like a big baggy t-shirt over top, or you know, you could have like a more scandalous look all around. Just like a t-shirt would be cute, but I think a sheer skirt is fashionable. I think it taking a risk and like playing with fashion in a way maybe other people wouldn't be comfortable with, but I don't think necessarily taking a risk means it's like unfashionable to like the everyday person. I think it could be really cute, styled, again, the right way. The right skirt always plays into it, but it's just a skirt. It's just like a different texture. Again, I feel like texture, pattern, color, like those are pretty safe things to trend and never like to look at and be like, wow, I was just chronically online. Okay, this one's kind of different, but it's dressing up your athletic shorts. So yes, this could also mean like with ballet flats or kitten heels or stuff like that. But the most like Pinterest way, and the thing I was seeing online on Instagram Reels, like only Pinterest girlies would understand this, is like colored athletic shorts, a like white blouse, and ballet flats. This one's kind of hard for me to like really really decide, because I do like personally think it's so cute, but it doesn't make sense. And like I keep saying, fashion that doesn't make sense is really hard to like stand the test of time. And that doesn't mean I don't think you should wear it. We're just, again, having like a thought-provoking video right now. My mic died. Don't worry though. I did finish filming the whole video. We get to do it again. Means I just thought things out a little bit better probably. So what I was saying with athletic shorts dressed up, something I think about with them is the silhouette of like the shorts with the poofy blouse. I think that it is really flattering and super cute. And so I try to look at the silhouette of things. Again, I try to look at color. I try to look at if it's been repeated in history. I try to look at like texture, pattern, those kind of things before I kind of just decide whether I like it or not. With the athletic shorts, it just so like doesn't make sense that it's hard to say it's fashionable in a not like online sense. Obviously, I think a lot of people who would see this would be like, what the heck are you wearing? And I even think like fashionable people, you know, like more high-end fashion people would look at it and be like, yeah, I've seen that, but like it's not cute. I don't know, it's a very polarizing one, and sometimes like, you know, that can make people turn their heads and stuff, because I think the silhouette is so cute. I think just like a way to get around it that would be more just like, because when I say fashionable, I mean like not even everyday fashionable, but like just justifiably like that is fashionable, that is cute, you have good sense of style, not you're just copying things you've seen online, you don't even know why you're doing it. You know, like you see people dressing athletic shorts in this way, and I'm not saying that's what we do and why we do it, but like that's what it can come across as. I think just instead of having athletic shorts with those 3 Adidas stripes or like a Nike logo, or you know, that have just an athletic material, going for the same kind of cut and silhouette of those shorts with like a linen or a cotton immediately make the outfit feel more elevated and not like you're copying like online trends. I don't know. It's more like you have a sense of fashion, you kind of like are thinking before putting an outfit on. Okay, and again, I will still be wearing the first version. I don't care what people think about me. We're just talking. The last one is Jane Birkinifying. Jane Birkinifying your bags. So the way I see people do it on TikTok, and it's so funny because I filmed my micro trends video like 2 weeks ago, and then today I go on YouTube and let me see the exact title because I still don't really know what it's called. Okay, so Ash Callaghan, who I follow on YouTube, if you guys don't subscribe to her already, she does fashion videos and They're really thought-provoking. I like them. It's called Microtrends Final Boss, and I could not think of that saying for the life of me in my last Microtrends video, and then she posted this, and I literally thought my like unlisted video went live, and I was like, how did I remember what it was called? It's her video. I haven't gotten to watch it yet. People were saying that the Jane Birkin bag, like adding your charms to a bag, is Microtrend Final Boss, and that's where I kind of, in that my other video, argued that like that's not a microtrend. You guys don't know what microtrends are. Jane Birkinifying your bag. Is it fashionable or is it chronically online? First of all, I don't even like the way people are doing it, and I am an opinionated bitch. So if you're getting a purse and you're like, I want to Jane Birkinify my bag, and you go on Amazon or you go on Temu and you go on Shein and you order every single charm that you like, and you order all the necklaces and the bracelets and all these keychains, and you add them to a bag, and you're like, look at me, I'm Jane Birkin. That's just not what we're supposed to be doing. The whole, like, I don't know, like adding keychains to your bag, it's about collecting them from different places, like things you already have, and putting them on a purse. You're wearing a necklace and you're like, you know what, this doesn't go with my outfit. You take the necklace off and you put it on your purse, and then you end up leaving it there for 3 years until you're out one day and you're like, I could really use a necklace, and you take one off your purse and put it on. That is how we add keychains to our purse. And yes, I am out here judging how you add a keychain to your purse, because that's who I am. Like, why wouldn't it be cute? You're just adding keychains to a purse. Like, that's what keychains are for. They're for adding to bags and backpacks and purses. Adding a ton to one, I think it can be a really cute look. Obviously, some of them look like they're fresh off Shein, and that isn't cute. But if you can tell somebody's just been like collecting or just like adding their stuff they already had to a purse, I don't know. I think it looks, I don't know if all the times I would say it's fashionable. I don't think anyone would look at it that's fugly. Like if you have chains and keychains on your purse, it's kind of like, aw, like that's just their style. Like it's a maximalist, youthful thing. And I don't think that anytime something is maximalist, over the top, or very youthful, that means that it's not fashionable. I don't think fashionable means you have to be put together and mature and all those things. It can be a mix, and obviously some things are and some things aren't. But that's it for this video. Before we end it though, I wanted to talk a little bit about Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes building and maintaining a website so easy. Especially for me, I'm able to focus on my creativeness, creative outlet, and let Squarespace kind of do all the heavy lifting. Make it easy to sell in an online store, whether it's physical, digital, or service products. Squarespace has all the tools you need to get started. Squarespace makes it so you can improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords and most popular products and content. If you're selling online, Squarespace makes the checkout process seamless for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and offer customers the option to buy now and pay later with Afterpay and ClearPay. To squarespace.com/LaineyOzark for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using code LaineyOzark. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys liked this format. Leave some trends in the comments below, and we can, you know, discuss them maybe in the next video, or just in the comments whether we think they're fashionable or just chronically online. Did Pinterest ruin our fashion sense? Was I more fashionable before Pinterest existed? Who knows? Okay, love you. Bye.